Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Point 5 Healthier drinks to replace soda without feeling deprived. Soda often contains more added sugar than recommended, which can negatively impact heart and metabolic health. Healthier drink alternatives to soda include 1. Sparkling water, provides carbonation without added sugars. 2. Kombucha, fermented tea with probiotics that may support digestive health. 3. Coconut water, rich in electrolytes and a healthier alternative to sugary drinks. 4. Prebiotic soda, carbonated drinks containing prebiotics to support gut health, but may still have high artificial sweetener content. 5. Unsweetened tea, green and black teas are high in antioxidants and provide caffeine. Tips for cutting back on soda include gradually reducing portion sizes, avoiding energy drinks, relying on carbonated beverages like sparkling water, and bringing your own water bottle. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.